Wait, am I wrapping the hair around the string or the string around the hair? Hey beauties, it's Viviana and today we're curling our hair with anything but a curler. Well damn, I'm feeling like quite the potty mouth today. So for today's anything but curlers, we're going to be curling our hair with string. Where's my string? Is it string, thread? I think it's more of string. Okay. The label says color craft string, but I also know it has embroidery thread, so I guess the words are interchangeable. So I've been trying to rattle my brain for the last week or so, trying to remember where I saw this curl technique idea using string. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, I can't recall. All I remember is it was done on natural hair and there was a reference to African threading. So if you don't know what African threading is, and no, I am not African, Jamaica is not in Africa.
Yes, I have been asked that before.
So, I'm not very familiar with African threading, but from what I've seen on YouTube, it's a really good technique for stretching the hair. And I've even seen people wear it as an actual hairstyle, and I think it looks so cool, like, seriously. So I intend to try African threading one day to actually stretch my hair, but for today, we're going to use a technique that is based in African threading to curl the hair. String. I'm gonna use string to curl my hair. Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Happy New Year! Yeah, I know it's February. However, I decided to just call January a trial run and start over the whole New Year, New Me thing this month.
Because I've just finished a beginner's course about mastering productivity. Create a custom system that works. And in that class taught by Thomas Frank, I basically learned to organize my entire life. In just an hour, I learned how to properly make a to-do list for productivity and how to organize my calendar.
Yes, for 2022, we're investing in ourselves, investing in our learning, turning our passions into skills. Skillshare is an online learning platform with thousands of creative courses and classes taught by experts to help you learn new skills. Yes, thousands. All taught by experts. And the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click on the link in the description box gets 1 month free trial with Skillshare. You get the hookup. Go learn a skill. So right now my hair is freshly washed and detangled, and it only has a leave-in conditioner in it right now. So all I'm gonna do is to add some protein leave-in conditioner. This is FRIZZY Keratin Green Tea Reconstructor, and I'm also going to oil and massage my scalp because, you know, healthy long hair 2022. So the first thing we're gonna do is to make our front part. I don't know what I'm feeling for today. A center part or a side part? I think we're gonna do a center part. So let's just neaten up this center section. So in terms of the size of each section needed, we're just winging it. But I'm thinking a medium section. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. And no neat parts are needed right here. Alright, so this is the first section. Let's add our curling products. So my hair has been prepped. I've added all my curling products. It's detangled and it's ready for African threading curls. I love how confident I said that, like I know what I'm doing. Alright, let's use a white piece of string first. Alright, how long I need to cut these strings, I don't know. But let's do about a yard. I usually see, like, when you're in the clothing or the fabric stores, they go like this, and like to the end of the fingertip is like a yard of fabric. So I'm going to estimate that this is like a yard of string. It makes sense. As I said, I did see this technique on some platform or the other, so I have a general idea of what we're doing here, right? A general idea. So I'm gathering all the hair. I'm gonna wrap the string around the base of my hair first to get it nice and anchored, not too tight. And maybe about 4 times. I honestly don't even know how much times I've gone. No, I'm going to wrap the string around my hair and leaving a nice space between each wrap. Wrapping, and I'm wrapping, and all the way down to the end. Hold the hair together, hold the string separate, and I'm going to push my hair up the string. Come on, go. Okay. Yeah, okay. I had to loosen the end a little bit. Alright, we're good now. We're going to push this hair up the string. Up. Go up. Is it all up?
What's that? Oh, it's just product.
This might be a really tight curl. Alright. And then we're going to do like a little... Am I doing a knot? Should I do a knot? I think we're doing a little knot. And let's just wrap the end of the string around the base. I think that looks promising. But that was trial number 1. Alright, let's do trial number 2. This whole head is a trial. So I think I cut the string a little too long the last time. So let's adjust that. Wait, does the direction that I wrap the string in matter? Alright. String and hair separate. Wait, no. Wait, am I wrapping the hair around the string or the string around the hair? This is me wrapping the hair around the string, right? I'm keeping the string. But this is me wrapping the string around the hair, like moving the string. Really, Viv? You have to make everything complicated? Hold the string and the hair separate to my ends. Right? And I'm gonna push it up. Push it up. From how tight this curl is, I can tell that it's gonna take a while to completely dry. Yeah. And then with the end, instead of doing a knot like I did for the first time, we are going to try just turning the string up and then just wrapping it around several times. Like, I think that should hold it. Should I leave this hanging? No. Alright, let's just wrap it around itself. And let's put the excess. Why is this looking cute though? It's giving telephone cord realness. Feels a bit too tight, so I'm trying to slowly loosen it. Okay. Alright. And that seemed to do the trick. So for the earlier ones that I did, I was really struggling to push the hair up the string. So after doing almost a full head of these things, I'm practically an expert. The trick is to really pull the string down. As in, you want a really nice and wide gap when you're wrapping the string around your hair. Yeah. That's what I was doing a tiny bit wrong. Right, and then I suppose I can push the hair up smoothly. Yay! Man! I finally got that. I finally got it. Alright, I'm gonna allow this to air dry. Might take a day or two. Alright, see you when my hair dries. So as we figured, it took a while to dry. It's now 2 days later. So let's pull out one at the front. Ooh, let's hope this is not a hassle to take out. This is the one that I knotted? I think we're doing a little knot. I think it is. Ooh, that's looking good. Wait. How do I take this out? Oh, okay. Guess I have to spin it around the thread. Alright. So I just have to untwine it from the thread. I thought I could just pull the thread from the bottom. Yeah, no. Wow! Oh dear. Maybe it was a mistake to bend it. It should be fine. It should be fine. Hopefully that kink will come out soon. Let's pull out the rest. So I haven't even fluffed these curls yet, but can we appreciate how shiny and juicy these look? Ah! Oh, there. Yo! There's so many hairstyle options from this one technique. There was a thread just wrapped around the hair in its lengthy state. That's a hairstyle. When I crunch up the hair, that's another hairstyle. And now when I actually pull the thread out of the hair, tell me this is not a style. Well, other than some of the curls bending to the side, although maybe it's adding personality. This is a whole hairdo. Look here. And just click that. Twist out where. Probably push it to the side like this. What do you know about me? Like, imagine if I did it smaller with clean straight parts. Like, don't worry, we're going to look into all of those options, but for right now we're going to separate and fluff these curls. separate and fluff. The hair was thoroughly detangled, so separating should not be causing too much frizz. And because the curls are so tight, I can see this style lasting a while because it's going to take some time for the curls to drop. Guys, I think I just found my new favorite curl. It was easy to do, and even the style, while the hair dried, could have been worn outside. Yeah, I really like this. Okay beauties, I hope you enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did. If you're new to my channel and you haven't seen my other anything but curler videos, I'll be sure to leave that up in the iCard so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then if you make it through 1 or 2 more of my videos, that means you actually enjoy my content and it just makes sense you subscribe. Okay beauties, thanks again for watching!